Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun Dollar Tree haul for you today. This is all going to be summer, beach, 4th of July themed. My husband and I are going to take our daughter to the beach for the 4th of July just for a really quick getaway. We're road tripping it. That's something we've never done before. If you watch my channel, you know that I travel all the time with my daughter, but we're typically on a plane. And this time we're going to be spending a few hours in the car. So I've got stuff that's going to entertain her. I've got stuff for the hotel. I've got stuff for the pool and the beach, some travel stuff, but it's all got that summer 4th of July spin to it. I went into the Dollar Tree for this spontaneous trip because we needed a few things anyway, and then I found a ton of extra stuff that I definitely wanted to share with you. The first thing I'm going to show you is this little pack of swim diapers. I thought this was such a great find. My Dollar Tree just recently started selling these. They didn't have them always, and if you're like me, you know, if you don't take your child swimming all the time, but if you do plan a trip and you go and you buy a pack of swim diapers, you use maybe a few and then you've got all of these left over, and the next time you need them, they've grown out of that diaper size, right? So for just $1, you get a couple. They're name brand Huggies. I know they're gonna work. They're in her size. I think that is great for just $1 and super simple to pack, really lightweight. And that same theme, I got a pack of these wipes. I always get them for travel. They're so handy. They take up so little room, and it's just the right amount for a couple days. I also use that when we're traveling to wipe down things. Really great to have on hand. All the time I talk about how I like to get toiletries at the Dollar Tree for travel, and this trip is no different. I found this little set. This was brand new at my Dollar Tree. It's a little kid's toothbrush set. It comes with a little cup, and the thing I liked about it is it comes with this little toothbrush cover so you can cover up the bristles. I think that's really great for travel, and my daughter will love this. She'll love the color. It's Barbie. They had this in another version too, so they had Barbie, and then I want to say they had maybe Tonka trucks, something to do with cars. So they had two different versions. A really great value for $1. Toiletries, right? I got hair ties. You always need these for those beach vacations. You're always running out of them, right? So I buy a pack, toss them in my bag. I got some toy items. I always pack my daughter a little backpack for travel, and I wanted to find like something new, a little different, and I found a couple toys that kind of had a beachy summer theme to them. So I got this little mermaid doll. She is super into mermaids, and I know she will love carrying this around. I'll put it in her backpack in the packaging so she can have fun opening it up. And then this was new at my store. They were selling these little doll sets, and it was little dolls, and each came with sort of an activity, and I liked this dolphin one. It comes with a hoop, and it attaches to her hand so she can hold the hoop, and then you can toss the dolphin through it. It's a pretty good sized doll too. It's not tiny. I think that's a really good value for $1. Like I said, that will go in her backpack. I got this set of really fun bandanas. I like to wear bandanas often when I'm out in the sun. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me recently at Universal Studios wearing something like this in my hair that I got at the Dollar Tree. But I thought this color combo was really cute for the 4th. I tie them together and then wrap them around my head so you get both colors. And 2 for $1 is great. You can't even get them that cheap at Walmart. So I loved that color combo. I got a few other 4th of July items. We're gonna go watch fireworks on the beach, and so I got some of these glow stick things. I always get glow stick toys at the Dollar Tree, and these are really great. So this is sort of like a wand that is an American flag, and then this one you get this little handle, and then the glow sticks go in it, and you can kind of wave it. Those will both be really fun to play with. Since we are going to be going swimming, I looked at the pool toy section, and a lot of the pool and beach toys were skewed a little older, stuff that she couldn't play with. She's 2.5, but these are just great. They're these little balls that go in the water, and they soak up the water, and you can toss them, but I don't think they sink or anything. Obviously, she's not going to be playing dive games, but these will be really fun to toss around. My husband can play with these with her, and they're really small, so they'll be great in the suitcase. I got a few other toiletry items. I got this 2-pack of toothbrushes and a little toothpaste. I love getting travel toothpaste at the Dollar Tree. It's the cheapest place to get it. And then I really liked this. It's a 2-pack, so my husband and I can both get one, and they each come again with the little toothbrush holder. The toothbrushes at the Dollar Tree don't always have those, so I saw this and I thought it would be great for travel. And I can toss it in my suitcase just like that. And then if we forget it or leave it behind, no big deal. To go along with those glow sticks, I got a set of sparklers. I thought this would be fun when we're doing the fireworks, to have a couple boxes of sparklers on hand, and $1 is a really great price. I don't think you can find them cheaper than that. I've never done sparklers around my daughter before. Obviously, I won't let her hold them. So let me know in the comments below if you've ever done sparklers, if you're a mom that gets nervous about that. I don't know how she's going to react to fireworks, if she's going to like them or be scared. If she doesn't like it, we'll just leave, no big deal. And because we are sharing a hotel room, I saw this and thought it would be a great thing to pick up. It's a little book light. It clips here onto your book, and then you can read. My daughter will likely rest in a bed next to me, and this way, if the lights are off and she's gone to sleep, I can still have the light for my book. When I go away, reading a new book is one of my favorite luxuries. So I definitely have a new book packed, and this, I think it'll help. I don't know, you know, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, but I thought it would be perfect to try. I got a few other toiletry items. Travel Advil, that's one of my top things I always pick up at the Dollar Tree. You cannot beat $1 for this. You get 6 different Advils. Sometimes I get headaches and I don't want to bring a whole big bottle of Advil, so that's the perfect size. I got this little travel sunscreen. Again, this is something I always pick up for trips like this. It's SPF 30, it's Banana Boat, so it's name brand. I don't like to buy the non-name brand sunscreen at the Dollar Tree. I'm really fair. I burn really easily, so I want to make sure it's going to work. And I like this size. Obviously, I'll bring a bigger bottle in our suitcase, but this is great to keep in my bag if we're walking around and sightseeing and we need to put a little on our face. I got a little hand sanitizer. I mean, I think no explanation needed. You're at the beach or at the pool and then you go to lunch. This will be great. It's a really good size and it's Purell. I like that it's name brand. And then a little travel deodorant. I always get my travel toiletries at the Dollar Tree. It's cheaper there than Walmart, than Target. It's the best place, really. This is kind of random, but I got a bag of cat food. We have cats, and somebody's going to come to our house while we're away and feed them, and I give them canned wet food typically, but when I'm away I like to leave a bowl of dry food out as well so they can snack throughout the day when I'm not there. And I didn't have any, and they had this at the Dollar Tree, and it's Purina, so it's a name brand. It's 12 ounces and it's $1. I couldn't believe that. I think that's such a great price, so I needed a little extra. I just wanted to throw that in there if you are a pet owner and you're traveling and you need something like that. They had dog food, Purina as well. I didn't need a big bag of it because, like I said, I don't normally give it to them. I got my husband a pair of flip-flops. He has nicer sandals that he'll bring and wear, you know, if we go eat or something, but he doesn't always like to wear them if he knows he's going to get his feet wet. So I just got a pair of inexpensive $1 flip-flops. They're black, you know. They look pretty typical, right? But for $1, such a great price. And then this is another item for my husband as well. I got 2 pairs of sunglasses. He breaks his sunglasses like nobody's business. So if we're traveling, especially somewhere where I know he's going to need sunglasses, I always buy a couple of $1 pair. Throw them in the suitcase. If he breaks his main pair that he brings, it's not going to be a problem. And I bring 2 because he has gone through more than 2 pairs before on trips. And then the thing that's been holding all these items together, I picked up a tote bag. If you guys watch my channel, you know me. I love the Dollar Tree totes. And this one is just so fun and festive for the 4th. Like I said, we're going to be going in the car, which is something we don't normally do. So I'll be able to throw things in tote bags like this. Snacks, drinks, whatever, pool toys. This is going to be really great for travel. So those are all of my items. Let me know in the comments below if you saw anything new to you that you're going to be on the lookout for. What are you guys doing for the 4th? I want to hear all about it. It's such a fun long weekend since it is sort of a 4-day weekend this year. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to do more Dollar Tree hauls. I love doing them for you. Hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I've got a ton of projects coming up this summer. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.